Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the UK. This is a straightforward process that can open up employment opportunities at one of the world's largest companies, so let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to amazon.jobs. This is Amazon's official careers portal where all their job listings are posted. Once the page loads, you'll see various employment categories displayed on the screen. From the options available, navigate to hourly jobs and click Find Your Role. This section is specifically designed for warehouse positions and other hourly work opportunities that Amazon offers throughout the UK. Now you'll need to scroll down the page until you see an option that says View United Kingdom Jobs. Click on that to filter the results to show only positions available in the UK. This ensures you're looking at relevant opportunities in your region. Next, you'll see a button that says Join Amazon Now. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the application portal where you can start your job search process. You'll be prompted to enter your postcode or city in the designated field, type in your location details, and then click Next. This helps Amazon show you jobs that are available near where you live, making it easier to find positions within commuting distance. Amazon Jobs will now ask you how many hours a week do you want to work. Click the drop-down menu to select your preferred working hours, then click Next. This allows you to filter jobs based on whether you're looking for full-time or part-time work. Following that, Amazon Jobs will ask you how long are you planning to work at Amazon. Select your preferred option from the list, then click Done. This helps Amazon understand your employment goals and match you with suitable positions. Now here's something important to keep in mind. Sometimes there are no jobs available that match your search in your area or city. If this happens, you might need to try a different postcode or check back later when new positions are posted. However, let's pretend you find warehouse jobs in your area or city. This might be a customer service associate, yet it is the same process. When you see a position you're interested in, click Apply in the upper right corner of the job listing. Finally, scroll down and read all the information carefully, then follow all the instructions provided. This will guide you through completing your application, uploading any required documents, and submitting everything Amazon needs to consider you for the position. And that's how you apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in the UK. You've now navigated through the entire application process from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.